Hi, friends. Thank you for tuning in. And today we have Sreekanth, one of our success stories. Sreekanth was a student, an alumni with 360DigiTMG, and now he is working as a data scientist. In fact, a senior member of Innodatatics team. Welcome, Sreekanth, and thanks for joining and sharing your success story with us and motivating a lot of people who are trying to upskill themselves into the space of data science.
Thank you, Sreekanth.
So Sreekanth, let's try to give your insights to our audience. What triggered your journey? What inspired you to become a data scientist? What is your education or work experience background?
So I have completed biotechnology. So I am from life science background. So I did my master's in industrial biotechnology. So I worked in the same field for 4 years. Then I thought, so basically I had some interest in data and data science. So, but I did not have any idea about this. So once I joined 360, then when I get into these course, then I came to know about what is data science, machine learning, deep learning. Then we have worked on a lot of assignments, and then so because previously I did not have any programming knowledge also, but here from scratch we have learned what is Python, then SQL, and all machine learning models that we have, and along with deployment, end-to-end deployment that we have learned. So during the course, we have done some basic projects that we have done, and after that, when I have got into data science role in Innodatatics, then I have worked on some advanced projects like deep learning and machine learning projects also. So object detection projects we have done. So we have done projects in LLM. Currently, we are working on LLM projects. So that was the experience that I have got from 360.
Wonderful, great. So, how do you think these projects are going to be crucial for all those people who are trying to learn and transform themselves into a data science career? Your story itself is very, I should say, inspirational because you're coming from non-programming, non-IT, from life sciences healthcare background. Now, you are one of the senior team members in Innodatatics data science team. So it should inspire a lot of people, and I heartfully congratulate you for this transformation and for your journeys into the data science. But coming back to the question on how important is a project exposure for newbies who are coming into this stream?
So basically, there will be always certain limitations, Sharath, when we are working on the course. So we'll be learning. So because we don't know anything, so we learn from the scratch. But the implementation, whatever we are going to do, that happens in project. Because there are many technical stacks that we have that we need to upgrade ourselves every time. So many things that we learn in projects. So the 2 projects that we are going to do that will be very crucial. And when it comes to deep learning also, total we are going to work on 4 different projects. So 4 different projects, maybe they will be in different domains also. So along with the domain knowledge, we learn to know how to handle the CRISP-MLQ methodology and how to create this documentation, how to handle the data pre-processing. So all these techniques that we learn in our course, practically we are going to apply here. And this will be our experience, because the first question that will be asked in any interview will be, what's your experience? So we can explain our project, the live project that we have worked on. So,
Great. Thank you so much for joining and sharing your insights, Sreekanth. Pleasure connecting back with you after all these years, all these days. And I wish all the best and keep inspiring the young generation. Thank you, Sreekanth.
Thank you.